In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make $1,000 on cpagrip with this little script you are looking right on the screen. And no, you are not going to be spamming links, and you are not going to be promoting this. You are not going to be promoting anything at all. You can do this worldwide and get paid into your PayPal or Payoneer, or even get a bank deposit. So if you're interested, then stick to the end of the video and I'm going to show you how to do everything step by step. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is we want to go to Google. Okay, so you want to go to Google and type in, let's say, how to lose weight. So once you go to Google and type in how to lose weight, you want to come to these tools. So if you click on these tools, you want to go to this section where it says anytime, and then you want to go with this 24 hours. I've seen most of my results with this option. Okay, you can actually experiment with any of these options if you want. Okay, and this doesn't have to be how to lose weight niche alone. I believe I shared a list of 100 niches in my last video. You can go and check the list and you can pick any niche of your choice. So now once you've chosen a niche, you type it on Google, and like I said, you come to tools and you want to go with 24 hours, but feel free to experiment with other options. So if I click 24 hours, as you can see, this one is an ad. Okay, you can see this one is an ad. So you want to scroll down, you can see this pin was made 18 hours ago. So you want to do the same thing. You want to keep scrolling down till you find a website or a YouTube video that you can leave a comment. And don't worry, we are not going to be spamming anybody. So I'm going to show you how to do it in a creative way. So now if you scroll down, if you click on this YouTube video, so if you pause this, as you can see, this video was released on the 24th of October. So you can see the video is getting views already. So you can leave a comment on this video, and you are not going to be sharing link. Like I said, you just want to leave a creative comment on this video. So let me add a creative comment to this. As you can see right here, I just added a comment which says losing weight can be a tough battle unless you are willing to cut down on healthy foods and simple exercise. Okay, so whatever niche you're going with, you want to make sure you have decent knowledge about the niche so that you will be able to leave a comment that is going to resonate with the audience of that niche. So once you've added that, the next thing, you want to paste the comment. Okay, so I've already pasted that. So the next thing now you're going to do now is you want to go back and copy this script. So once you copy this script, and then you want to paste it there. So once you've pasted the script, then you want to comment and drop a comment like that. Okay, so now I go to another tab and refresh the page. As you can see, right, you can see here both comments still remains the same. As you can see, this is another tab. This is the actual tab that I made this comment. As you can see, this is the second tab here. As you can see, the comment is visible, and anybody who comes to this video, they are going to see this comment. And if they email you, okay, if they email you, they'll be redirected to your content locker. And don't worry, I'm going to show you what you need to do, so keep watching. So once you have that set up, okay, the next thing you want to do, you want to set up a content locker. So once you go back to your cpagrip account, you can click create new content locker. You can agree and click on continue. Okay, and you can set up whatever you want, choose any template of your choice. Okay, you can make any settings that you like. So in order to save time, I'm going to use a template that I already made before. So now we are going to be working with this template I made in one of my previous videos. So if I click on edit, so as you can see here, this is the template I made. This is the content locker I made in one of my previous videos. So you can actually change whatever settings that you like. Okay, so you can choose any lead, any number of leads that you want. The maximum you can get on cpagrip is 3 leads. Okay, so once you have that, once you've made your content locker, you want to click on save. Now you want to come to this get links. So once you click on get links, you want to scroll down and go for these outcode files. So once you go for this, you can customize the URL and change it to whatever you want. Okay, so let's just say example. So you want to change that. Okay, it's already in use, so let's give it, let's say example 101. Okay, that is available, so we can click on copy. So once we click on copy, the next thing we want to do now is you want to go to our Gmail account. So once you are in a Gmail account, you want to come to these settings, and then you want to click on see all settings. So you want to scroll down to the very bottom of the page till you get to a point where it shows vacation responder. You want to tick the on vacation responder. So once you click on this on, then you want to give it a name. Okay, and this is going to depend on the niche you are, of course. Just like this one is going to be 30 easy ways to lose weight. Okay, so this is going to relate to whatever niche you're working with. I hope that makes sense. So you want to paste it in here, and the next thing you want to do, if you go back to this, okay, that's all we need to do. All right, so the next thing you want to do is you want to right click on download here, and then you want to highlight this and click on this link button, and then you want to paste your, okay, let's go back and copy our cpagrip link. So let's go back and copy that link. So this is the link here, so copy the link, and then you want to change it to this link. As you say, it says web address, and then we'll click on OK. So one more thing we can also do is we can go back to our locker, and let's try to grab this image. So let's copy this image address, or let's just download this image. Save image. Okay, let's save it in downloads. So let's go back here, and then want to add this image. So let's just go with the image address. All right, so you can actually choose whichever one you want. So this is it. So once you are done with the image, the purpose of this is so that once they go to this page, once they go to your locker page, they know they've seen this image before. And like I said, the locker has to resonate with whatever niche you are working with. As you can see, this one here is a skincare niche, so I'm just using it as an example of how I do the process. So now the next thing you want to do is you want to click on save changes, and what this means is whoever sends any message to this email address, which is the email here, whatever email you're going to be using, as this one you're going to replace it with your email. I don't mean your personal email, but whatever email you want to use to promote this CPA content locker. Okay, so whatever email you want to use, you want to have it in here. So now we are going to be testing this process and see if it works. So now I'm switching to another Gmail account. So let me click on compose and let me send it to that Gmail. So now, so let's say the person decides to say hello. So this email is where we created the vacation responder. So if we decide to send the email, to send a message to that email, okay, so let's wait a moment, and now you're going to see the message is going to come in. All right, as you can see here, it says 30 easy ways to lose weight naturally. As you can see, the stuff that I teach on this channel, they work if you are going to do it as I explained, and you are going to make money. So now you can see the message came right away instantly. So this way you can make money on autopilot. All right, so if you click download here, as you can see, it took us to that locker. So literally this is how you make the easiest money online, by just making Gmail do the work for you. You don't even need to send the email to the person yourself. All they need to do is send you a message, and Gmail will automatically reply back to them with your content locker link. Okay, as you can see, everything worked perfectly, and you don't even need a landing page. So you can repeat this same process as many times as for many videos as you can find on YouTube. You can do this all day long. So if you go back to the original search, which is how to lose weight fast, remember we clicked on tools, and we clicked on past 24 hours. Okay, so you don't have to do this for only YouTube videos alone. Sometimes you may even come across websites like Quora and all that. So if you see, you can even click on next. So if you click on next, there are a lot of websites that you can go leave your comments. Okay, even you can see there's another one here. There's even an Instagram account here. So you can literally repeat this same process for as many places as you can. Okay, you don't have to do this for only YouTube alone. So whatever the purpose of this is, since the post is still fresh, the post is still new, it means a lot of people are going to come to that video, and when new people come to those videos, they are going to go to the description, they are going to go to the comment section and look at the comments in that video. So that is how you do this whole process over and over again. Also, before I end this video, if you like to turn off the vacation responder, all you need to do is you want to click on this vacation settings, or you can just come back to this settings here. So once you come back here, you want to go back to the vacation responder, and then you click on vacation responder off, and then you click on save changes. Okay, this way whoever message this account or this Gmail, they are not going to be getting that message anymore. Okay, so that is all you need to do. And if you find any value in this video, please drop a like on the video. I really appreciate it. And if you're new to the channel, you can look around the channel. You definitely find awesome videos around the channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.